Hello everybody! Today our goal is to reach a composition root somehow here in our application. So first of all we have a home screen view controller here, which is a root view controller, and if we run application, so we see this view controller as home screen. So let's go from the bottom to the top. Okay, home screen have home view model. And home view model, as you see, have dependencies on device persistence. And that dependency forbid it from being clear about its expectations. Right now the expectation is hidden because dependency is hidden, because we get this dependency by service provider here, not as initializer parameters. So let's do it right. Let's create variable here and pass this persistence as initializer parameter. Okay, now we can replace service locator here with our persistence. And ask a compiler what goes next. Next, ViewModel should have this dependency. But if we provide dependency here, like HomeViewController starts dependent on this dependency of ViewModel, which is not good. We will do the same. We actually create initializer that will provide HomeViewModel here. Okay. Let's do something like vScoder and add additional parameter here. And I required this one. Break condition failure, and we mark it as unavailable. Okay. That's interesting. And self model equal model and the order of things. Now we have our model here, and we can ask compiler what next. Oh, build success. Okay, so let's see where we have this home view controller thing. It's here, like we creating it from loading view from UI storyboard here. So let's try to load it using our new initializer. I will have to use this closure with creator inside. Here should be ID. Okay, I don't want initial view controller, I want view controller with identifier. like this. And now I can use our initializer here. The actual parameter of this closure is coder, and I should have model. Okay, so I also create additional one. With ViewModel. Okay, home ViewModel here. Okay, ViewModel equal ViewModel, and we need property. Okay, go next. Oh, we already at up router level. So on up router level, we do something different, because sometimes view not created on the application launch, they created later, for example. So the idea is we have property, but property not of model, but of factory of model. And this factory will get nothing and return model. Okay, so we can create this thing. It's not required here. We will remove these leftovers later on. When we have this ViewModel factory, we can use it to get our ViewModel. Okay, as you see, this is the place where we create all dependencies, like all services, and this is our new composition root. We required a device persistence, if you remember. And it's a default device persistence. And this device persistence go here in our factory closure, where we actually create model with persistence, and that's all. We can run it and we can have it. So we move our dependency up to the top level, and the top level is also our composition root. So in future, these setup services can be moved to place where we have, for example, application creation, and it will have all dependency here. And we will not require a service locator anymore. So thank you for your time. Have a good day, have a good life, and bye bye.